Okay, so I don't often do these sorts of vlogs, but I was moved to today because of an experience with a client. I sat down with this client to get to the intention behind his business, because what Brutal Pixie delivers for this client is going to inform lots of communications moving forward from here, how they relate to people. It will underpin a lot of their sales strategy. It will underpin a lot of their marketing strategy, and it's really going to support what they're hoping to achieve realistically. The client is a smallish business. They don't have a huge team. They've only just put on an administrator. And when you sit down with someone like that and you start to challenge their notions of their business, they shut down on you. They will turn away from you. They cross their arms. They get flustered. They feel like someone's going to judge them. They get really, really tense. They start thinking, why is this person asking me these questions? What is the correct answer to this? If the answer isn't money and growth and solutions for people, what's the correct response? How do I answer this? So they shut down. The reason is because, especially in a small business, the business is very much part of the founder. It's very much part of the people who were there at the beginning. So when you challenge the business, you challenge their feelings about themselves. So as a strategist, you can't be unafraid of that, and you have to leave your thumb in the muscle where it hurts in order to unravel it. And if you can't do that, you're not going to be as effective. And if you can't read body language, you also won't be as effective in doing that. So when you come into a space like this, and this is probably for the content writers and the content strategists who are working in small to medium-sized business, you actually need to be really good at this stuff, and you have to be able to put people at their ease, reflect things back to people, and help them to understand what they're trying to say. Because ultimately, if you can't do that, you're not going to be much help to them. So that's my thought for today. I hope you enjoy it, such as it is. And I'm going to go out to my next client meeting now, which is going to be completely different. But realistically, the key message today is, if you are working in this space or you have someone working with you, expect to be challenged. If you're the recipient and if you are the strategist, you need to be willing to challenge people and sit through that discomfort and push through to the other side of it in order to get the information that you need to do the best job for people. If you do it well, then what you'll find is that people respond like someone switched the light on. Yeah, like it's really fast. They go, oh my god, this is the most obvious thing. And then they realize that you probably knew that answer all along, and you needed to get them to understand it so that it's connected to their business. If it's not connected, it's not going to work, and everything you do is going to fall flat. So that's really the key takeaway. All right, enjoy.